It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at XRP. Now, as you all know, XRP it has been holding on very well. It has been holding on very well. Let me take this away. XRP has been holding on very well, as we all can see right here. Now, my Fibonacci on my Ethereum video, you could check that out if you want to. It kind of moved, and I was kind of worried that maybe I must have mistakenly moved the Fibonacci on other charts by mistake. So I had to just do a quick recheck before I start talking gibberish. Yeah, before I start talking nonsense. Yeah. So now, XRP is doing very well, as you can see right here. All the way since this move right here, it's still holding on perfectly well. It's holding on strongly. If you can check, it's currently doing very well. Sorry about that. It's doing very well, very well. So we're still at the all-time high for XRP. Now, the issue right now is China, the tariff war and all what's not. The issue now is China. Now, China is one of the major countries we should be worried about, because imagine China should come up with a very popular app owned by the US, and let me say US for people in US to access the app made by the US developers happen to be $100, and China comes up with that same app for $5. Now that is currently the situation we are in right now. That is the situation we're in right now. This tariff war isn't with China, isn't just about tariff war, and the Chinese government have come together and they've decided that they're not backing down. They won't back down to whatever threat US is gonna make with them or towards them or against them. They don't care. And even one of the people who are in support of US coming up with this tariff, I think things are not going according to plan right now, because as you can see, the elephants, like countries, the big countries, although Russia was not among the countries that tariff was given, it was obvious that USA came up with this tariff in target to their with their aim to target China. And now they've actually increased it to 104% tariff, which it has not actually been put to effect right now, but this is actually going to send the market lower, especially if a meeting is to be held between the US president and the Chinese president, and it ends up not going according to plan. The market is gonna crash really bad, because at the end of the day, it's China that everyone is expecting at the end of the day, guys. Because now, looking at it from the XRP perspective, because right now the fact that we are holding strongly around this level, $1.72, is just for now. The only thing that can happen right now is we consolidate. Maybe we might the market might want to recover, but I feel this is more of an institutional play, whereby people will make people feel like, oh, the market has bottomed out and all what's not, and at the end of the day, everyone gets a move like this. Which this is very much possible. Not just this is very much possible. This is very extremely possible, because at the end of the day, we all need the Chinese government to come in good terms with the US government regarding these tariffs. So Elon Musk is saying he wants zero tariff between the US government and every other country, but obviously with the way China is taking it, China is not backing down. They are not going to give up. They are willing to fight fire with fire, steel with steel, tooth for tooth, eye for an eye right now, honestly. So this is crazy. So this is actually what I'm seeing happening. So I wouldn't say this is the bottom No, I wouldn't say $1.70 or $1.71 is the bottom for XRP. No, this isn't the bottom. You should always expect the worst in a scenario like this, whereby there is extreme uncertainty in the market, extreme fear in the market. No one knows what is gonna be like, because a tariff war between the US and China, it's not just gonna be just tariff war. It's gonna be war in all angles. From the tariff war, the next thing we're gonna be seeing right now is currency debasement. Very soon, the value of dollar to the value of yuan, which is already happening. So gonna affect people worldwide. It's gonna affect a lot of people. It's gonna affect retailers. It's gonna affect manufacturers. This is actually very, very crazy. So left to me, in my opinion, I would say just place buy orders. Don't go all in now. Don't think that this is the bottom for XRP, or this is the bottom for whatever coin you're trading. This isn't the bottom, because there is no conclusion being made so far between the US government and the Chinese government. So expect the worst. In fact, expect that XRP will drop as low as 87 cents, which I wouldn't want that, because a move from here to that level is 50% move, which is bad, which is extremely bad. So we haven't tested the 50 weekly moving average, so expect a move like this. If we're not coming down to this level, if we're not coming down to this level, we're definitely coming down to this level. So whichever of this is going to play out, I will definitely be here to let you guys know. If we come to the daily, we can see that we're kind of recovering, but at the end of the day, we shouldn't forget that we've been getting this recovery after a move to the downside. As you can see right here, we'll get the move to the upside, we drop down, we get the move, we drop down, we get a little move to the upside, we drop down, we drop down. This lower lows and lower highs are what we've been getting. As you can see here, we get the move to the upside, we drop down. So we're obviously going to move probably to the upside, then we drop down again. So this is more reason you just have to let yourself know that the market is still going lower lows. We're still having lower lows. The market is still in a downtrend. No matter the time frame you go in, we are still in a downtrend. So trade cautiously, don't over leverage yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friend. And if you're a trader, links are down below. Buybitk.io and Weex. Use any of the links, sign up and trade spot or derivative. Peace out, guys.